Welcome. If you're tired of getting Instagram live video notifications lighting up your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those notifications so you can enjoy a little more peace and quiet. This is the updated method, and it's super simple. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where you can control all your app notifications, not just Instagram. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through until you find Instagram, then tap on the Instagram icon to open its settings. Here you'll see a bunch of options related to how Instagram interacts with your phone. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. You'll see a list of different types of notifications, like direct messages, comments, and of course, live videos. Find the option labeled Live Videos under the Instagram section and tap on it. This is the setting that controls all notifications related to Instagram Live. Now, look for the lock screen option. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for how notifications appear on your lock screen. To completely stop Instagram Live notifications from showing up on your lock screen, simply select Don't Show Notification. And that's it. You've just silenced those live video alerts on your lock screen so you won't be interrupted when someone goes live on Instagram. Remember, you can always go back and change these settings if you want to start receiving notifications again. But for now, enjoy your newly peaceful lock screen, free from Instagram live pop-ups. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.